Okay, we're gonna be using a trolling hook. It's 8700S stainless steel. Just as an example, this is a 9/0, and this is pretty much the same size hook I would use to rig my lures, and I would rig this size. So this is 200-pound mono. Okay, we have that one loop. Stretch it out a bit. Okay, then we make another small loop like so, and then a third loop like that. Hold them all together, and then we're gonna pass this loop up and over the hook. Turn. Make sure it's kind of tight right there, like that. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kind of difficult. I think we're gonna stop at 6, or maybe we could do another one. 7 right there. Okay, pass this over. Pull your tag so it tightens everything up. Okay, like so, and then you pull your standing line. Like that, so tight. Take a pair of pliers so you don't hurt yourself to tighten the noose. I have to do it a bit off camera. One more time. Right here. Okay, so once you have that, see that it's really clean. All you have to do then is just cut it. And that's it. I like using this more than I do with crimps. I mean, I trust the line more with this than with crimps, because with this one, it doesn't really hurt the line. See, it doesn't slip. Once you tighten this, that's it. It's like a nail knot, but there's a knot that jams there as opposed to just the knot going in. If that gets you uncomfortable, you could just burn a ball there so it jams. So that's it. Hope that helps. And hey, you know, if you have questions tying this knot, it's not the easiest knot to tie. So if you have questions, put it in the comment section, or you could make your own video and send me the link. Alright guys, I really hope this helps. It's quite a useful knot. I use it for jigging as well. It's easier with a solid ring because you'll just turn it a short distance as supposed to like with a whole hook. And this one doesn't really have a loop, but as you can see, it's the same line that I'm using here. I have more wraps on this one right there, see. Anyway, alright guys, see you next video.